Hi, my name is Roel, and welcome to my channel. Okay, um, it is my first video here on YouTube, and I hope I could, somehow reach to as many as aspiring virtual assistants who is falling in love with automation. And I received a project from one of my clients wherein he asked me to scrape a website wherein he would like to reach out to. And the website is called the Expert Medical Witness Directory, wherein he would like to get all the medical experts registered on this website. So when you click one of these specialties, here are the medical experts that he would like me to get. So I'm thinking about using make.com is a powerful tool for automation, and we are in trial mode. So I would like to take that opportunity to explore all the features and capabilities of the make.com. And I think a lot it's starting to get, starting to get popular now. I think it's an alternative for automation like Zapier. And let's do this from scratch. And I hope I could, extract the informations based on the requirements of this client. So come on, let's do this. Okay, the first thing that we do is for you to sign up to make.com. They have a free trial account. You can see that you can make a free trial account, but as of now I have used 3,000 operations as of the 10,000. So if I could still manage to scrape the informations with the remaining operations that Make has granted us. So let's proceed. First, let's make a scenario. Let's create a scenario. New scenario. Let's call it. Uh, what do you want to call it? A Let's make this a data scraping for medical experts. So I already explore all the modules here because it is called modules. This one, if you add, there's a lot of modules that you could add. But my internet is not cooperating. Okay, let's start with a HTTP request. So basically, HTTP request is like you are asking or you are going to a website. So let's make an HTTP request, and the website that we're looking for is this one. So we start with the medical experts. So this is the one that we need. The idea is we're going to get the URL for each specialty, and from after we get the URL for that specialties, we're going to get the URL for individual medical experts. So here is the website. Oh, I haven't. I'm so sorry. I haven't published it. The OBS. I'm not yet familiar with OBS. So here's the website. So we're going to use the make HTTP request. So HTTP request. Okay, this one. Let's start from scratch. Let's delete that because I forgot to transition into to show you the what do you call this, the screen that I'm looking. So let's start with an HTTP request and make a request. And the URL that we're going to put here is the URL of the medical experts. Okay, here is the website or the URL that we're looking for. Let's hit OK. And then after we hit OK, let's do a run this module only. If we could see, if we could, reach this HTTP or the URL. Okay, the scenario was saved. Okay, you will see if the module is running. If you see this one loading. Okay, we have a bubble. So let's see what's inside the bubble. Okay, we have received uh this is the input bundle one, and then the query string, the URL, and then the output is uh we have received a bundle, and this is the one that we're looking for, the data. Here, the data. Okay, so what are we going to do with this data? So let's find a common phrase here. Okay, I think this one. Let's see this one. Specialties, pediatric emergency. I think we could do that, and then we could also maybe we should just add the, if you can see here, if you press one or click one, you see that there's a common base URL here. Which one is this one? sickexperts.com. Maybe we could just add that to the specialty. The idea is to get the specialties acupuncture or specialties and then the remaining strings. And then we could just only add this expert.com. So what are we going to do? So we're going to use a module called uh, text parser match pattern. So the idea is we're going to get a uh, specific phrase or string from that data so that we could translate that into a results that we are looking for. So let's try. So we're going to add a new module here called parser. You could also see this, so text parser. Text parser. So what we're going to do, we're going to use match pattern. I and then let's do this the global match and case insensitive, multi-line, no, single line. And then what are we going to use is the data that we get from this HTTP module. But the text pattern, that's the problem. So how are we going to do that? Maybe we could use ChatGPT to uh you know to get the right text parser. Go, let's try ChatGPT. Okay, so let's find, like what I said. Let's find a common and ask ChatGPT to give us a expression. Guys, I don't have any coding experience or language programming language that I know. I just asked ChatGPT and it doesn't fail me the result that I wanted. It always give me the result that I wanted. So this one, let's try this one. Let's copy this and then let's ask ChatGPT. Where's ChatGPT? ChatGPT. There. Let's ask. So let's say create a reg expression from this HTML sequence. There. And then the one that we copied, and the desired output is this one. This is all that we need. There. This is all we need. That's it. And because in a reg expression, this character is always reserved. So we need to make sure that be sure to escape your reserved character, which is Yan. And let's ask. Sure. Let's see what it will give us. To ensure. Okay, this one. Let's try this one. To ensure only the URL is captured and exclude href you can use capturing groups. Here is a regular expression that extract the desired output. Okay, let's try this. I don't know what's happened. I don't know what will happen, guys. Let's try. Let's run this. Oh, we have a result. And oh, we don't like this one. Only this one. Only need this one. So let's try the recommendations of ChatGPT. To ensure the URL is captured things in you can use capturing groups. Okay, let's try this. Okay. And then run. There we have I and a bundle, and we have received 185 bundles. Cool. So there, we receive a good response from there. And then the next one that we need to do is to what? Create an array aggregator. So what is an array aggregator? Array aggregator is like wherein you're putting all those bundles into a collection or array so that it because we're going to uh, get all those URL. So how do we do that? So we're going to array aggregator. And what are we going to do? So we're looking for the specialties. So the source module should be the text parser that we used. And we use $1 because this is the one that captures the one that we're looking for. Okay. And then after that, we're going to make a loop. How do we do that? We are going to use, because we're going to make a loop. Like first is we're going to get that first URL, and then the second one, the third one. So how are we going to do that? We're going to put a repeater. So if you let's try to run this array aggregator. Let's see what we could. Let's see what will the scenario will give us. A transformer should that be? I know. Let's try. Yes, we got all the bundles. All the inputs are now in an array. Array. Here. Array. There. It's already combined in one bundle. Okay, we're going to add a repeater. You can search that in the repeater module. So what are we going to repeat? Here is the one that we're looking for. There, because we're going to start from the initial value 1. And then this is the one we are looking for, 185. Okay. There, we already have an array. A repeater. Next is we're going to get another HTTP module because we already have a repeater, and then he will go one by one to each specialties that we have generated. So we were going to add another HTTP module so that it will go in each specialty, right? So we're going to make a request again. Correct. And then since, remember, the specialty, we only get this last specialty, so we're going to add the base URL, which is this one. See, if you see that, we're going to use this one. There, we're going to copy this and add that in our module. And then I think there is only, let's see. Okay. Okay, we don't need the slash again, so we just need this array, right? And we're going to start in the I. We're going to array, indeed array. I array. Here. Remember. It will generate an I. So let's unlink it first. Let's try to run. There. See, it generated an I value. Meaning, first it will start in the value I1 until I185. So let's try this. Let's try. And then same get body type. No. And let's see what will happen. Oh, we have 5 records. There. Operation found 404. Oh my god, what happened? Okay. So this happens. So what will happen? What we're going to do with if this happens? In order for our scenario to continuously run, we're going to add a, what to call that? It's not working. Let's going to add a, I think that's a ignore. There, ignore. So every time he encounters error, it will just ignore it. Okay. So our scenario is properly working because we're going a data here. So here we go again. We're going to make a text parser again for this data. I think what we're needing, what do you think we're going to do here? What is the name? Let's try to check it. What is this? Let's try the first one. Just the URL, acupuncture. Let's try. There. So Rich Wooly. Let's try Rich Wooly. Let's find Rich Wooly. Is he here? Rich Wooly. Here is Rich Wooly. So how are we going to parse this again? What are we going to be needing here? I think we need this one. Members. Rich Wooly. I think we need this. So there again. We're going to ask again ChatGPT to help us generate a reg expression that we could get the title until here and the members until here. So we're going to ask ChatGPT again. Let's try to ask ChatGPT. Okay, what are we going to be needing? Create a reg expression from this HTML sequence. HTML sequence. Where is it? Here. Let's try this one. I think until here. What do you think? And then our desired output is I think only up to the last. Let's try it again. Oh, no. I think we did need until here because there is a, what do you call that? Um, hmm, wait, it's not working. Can't copy it there. And what is our desired result? Okay. Our desired output is, because we need to the name and the link, right? So value one is this one. I think the value one is this. Correct. And the value two is this one. Correct. Am I on the right track? And remember, be sure to escape to just copy this, which is there. Taran! Okay, it will explain to you what did the chat GPT do, but I don't have time to read that. Okay, let's try this one again. Let's copy the code and paste it here in our reg expression. Let's add match pattern. Oh, this one. Pattern. Connect. And then mhm. Let's do global match because we need to get all the informations that we need. And then the text is from the data that we receive here, correct? Mm, can you see? Could you check us if the output is, do we have other, do you have other, or all of these are 100? Okay, these are all specialty. Do we get, okay, see. Let's see. I tried to run. The module is not set up. Link. The module is not set. Transformer shouldn't be. Okay. Try to save it first. We're not saving. And we try to refresh the page because sometimes you just have to. You just need to rephrase the page. The scenario. Okay. Happen. My internet is kinda, it's not participating. Okay, let's try to run it. Okay, we are receiving data. Okay, let's conserve. Let's save our operations because we are only left with how many operations left. So we need to save. Okay, I think we are getting the right information that we are getting. Actually, input 42. Hi guys, sorry. I need to pause the camera because someone is in the background. Anyway, so let's try to examine this. Let's see if there's any duplicates. Okay. Alan R. Dennis in bundle 1 and Alan R. Dennis in bundle. So how are we going to do? Okay, let's try to run a dedupe. So let's try to combine this again in an array so that first we need to combine them, an array. And then after we combine them into an array, we're going to use an iterator. Source module is this one. And what we're gonna be needing value 2. And then after we combine them into an array, we're going to use an iterator. I don't know how is that possible because I do a lot of research on how we can dedupe an array because it only works for an array. So we're going to add an iterator here. So what does an iterator do? It separates them. First, we combine them into an array, and then we're going to distribute them into a single bundle. So what we're gonna do here is we're going to use a deduplicate array. So what are we going to duplicate? The array that we have here on the flow aggregate. Okay. And then let's set variables. So that we're going to put that into a Google spreadsheet. Goals, set multiple variables, add item. So let's try to set. Oh, we need. I think we need to run it first. Let's unlink it first. Let's try to run it once. Source code is not set. Oh my god. Here, it's set. I think you just need to hit OK. Okay, let's try it once. Okay. Stop. Stop. We need to save our operation. Oh, it's not stopping. Oh my god. Stop. Stop. My god. My god. What's happening? I need to save my operation. Okay, I think it's already stopped. Let's see. Let's try to compare. So in module in bundle we have our Dennis, and I think we have here in 15 or 16 there, and you can see that in the aggregator we have 42, and let's try to see it in the iterator. It's what we call in bundle 2. It's 42. Now it's 36. Okay, so I cannot see now anymore Alan Dennis there. Is there any other? So we already remove duplicates in that array. And then we're going to set our variables. So we already have a variables. So what we're gonna do is to set the variables. Okay. We get the name. And we need to, I think we don't need the expert witness. We don't need the expert witness. Yeah, so what we're gonna do here is to get and then split. But we're going to split. I think I am the wrong function. I have the wrong function, sorry. We're going to split there. So what we're going to split is this one by the presence of medical expert witness. Witness. And in the get, we're gonna get the first string. I don't know if it's that string. I will call that string. And then add new item. And then members link. And then remember in the members I think we need this the slash one. because there's no slot. No member. And then this one, right? Let's try to run once. I think we can direct it to Google spreadsheet without the need. Stop. Stop. Here, we have a bundles. I think we could. Oh, it's not stopping. Stop. Hey, stop. My God. My operation. I'm saving it. Not stopping, guys. My operation. There, I already stopped it. Or maybe you can also add directly Google Sheet from the Iterator. I think we don't need any more this. We can just directly. Okay. We'll connect file. Try to Google Sheet. I think we don't need any more dot tools. So let's put it directly in the Google spreadsheet to save operations. Let's try it. Let's try medical experts. Medical experts. What happening? And then the name and the link. And let's try to choose. Is that the one we're looking for? Sheet name. Yes. Row with headers. Huh? Try it again. Unlink. I need to unlink this. Or wait, I don't want to. Let's copy this. I don't want to. Okay, let's do it again. Okay. Try to unlink this so that we could save operation. Can you do? Oh, it's not working. I think we should. It's not working, guys. So we need variables, really. We need variables. Why it's not working? Let's try to delete this module first. And then Google Sheet. Oh, I think unlink. Let's try to unlink. And then Google Sheet. Add row. It's working. And then let's choose the medical experts. And in the sheet name, the name. Oh, this one. Okay. So it will save as operation. What we're going to get is get, 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 and then inside the get, we're going to split. Where's the split? Split. Where's the split? My God. Here. Yeah, here, split. And then going to split the one that we're not, this one. by the presence of medical expert witness. And we're going to get the first column that we're going to split. Then okay. What's happening with you? Let's just put it there. And then after that, we need the link. So we copy the link here. And then the members. Okay, let's try. If it will, put it here. Wait lang. See if it's working. There, it's working. You see, guys. So what we're going to do here? Let's post the tool. Where? Oh my god. There. So technically, what we're going to do here is to make another scenario. I think to access all this website, and then we're going to make a new, parse data. We're going to get the phone number, cell number. But I need a more, I need more operations because I am, see what happened. Let's save this one. I need more operations because my is almost running out. I already used 4,000. And remember, I'm in a free trial. So that it's, guys, I hope you learned from the what we did before, and thank you guys for staying with me up until we finish the job. And I'm going to send this, or I'm going to finish the rest of the operations, but I think I need to consult or need to propose this process to my client, and let's see if he will agree, because I think the subscription for this one, if he will agree with the subscription. And thank you guys for staying with me, and please don't forget to like or share this video if you like more of automation tools, not only in Make but in also in other automation tools. So thank you and have a great day. Bye.